Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12step. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to remove a game from Epic Library. So let's get started. At first, let's get into library in Epic. Now, if you choose any game and if you tap on these three dots here, we can see there is no such option to delete or remove this from library. And we can not find any option here. For this, we can get into Epic Games website over here and we can see this support option. So let's tap on this. Now if we scroll down, we can see this option for contact us. So let's tap on this. Now we can enter all of our details here, including the reason why we are contacting, and in the description box over here write the details about your problem, that is we are not able to delete or remove a game from our library. So after you are done with all of this request, simply click on submit an email. Once it is done, you'll get a reply from Epic Games. So after this, the game will be removed from the library. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.